What's up everyone, welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max and today we are in Pamplona, or at least in that area, and in Spain. And we're here to drive, well, one of them is this 718 Cayman GTS. Of course, the GTS, I've said it before, is the one to have. It's sort of a best of. It's the best options you can get for a better price. And well, let's take a look at the spec we have it in today. This is Carmine Red, and the GTS spec means that you get a lot of extra accessories or details in black. So this logo, this badge right here, the diffuser with the exhaust, these 20-inch black wheels, which are really beautiful, those air intakes, GTS logos, and black in the front bumper as well. So it's a beautiful spec, it's really nice. The roads here are incredible. And if we take a look inside, GTS again with carbon fiber. Yep. Beautiful seats with Alcantara and GTS logo on there. And in here, well, it's a lot more Alcantara. This is really lovely, and you do feel more, it does feel more special in here than a regular Cayman S. We've also got this red rev counter with a GTS logo. And well, let's start it up. We're going for a drive around these beautiful roads, and I'm going to chase this Targa 4 GTS. Alrighty, well, driving the 718 Cayman GTS. I'm chasing a 991 Targa 4 GTS as well. And let's put it in sport, manual gearbox. And well, as I said, there are a couple of changes on the outside, but the most important changes or things you get when you order a GTS are the options that most people select anyway when they spec a Cayman S, for instance. So you get the sports chrono package, you get a mechanical limited slip differential, and wow, check out that river, there's a lot of water here. You get a mechanical limited slip diff, sorry for that, and you also get the PASM, the Porsche Active Suspension Management, so the adjustable dampers. You also get some Alcantara, well, a lot of Alcantara on the inside, amongst which the steering wheel, which is really great because that is just so nice to hold in Alcantara. It's a great steering wheel anyway. And well, as you can see, it's super wet, it's raining all day, and we've got a mid-engined Porsche. So how does that drive? Well, it drives amazingly well. You have all the benefits from a mid-engined car, like the balance, the weight distribution, but you don't really have that tricky handling that mid-engined cars used to have a reputation for. It's just really neutral. When the back end starts sliding a bit, it's super controllable. And well, it's just the handling that we know from Porsche. It's just so well judged. It's poised. What a great road this is, by the way. We're going over the river a couple of times. There's a lot of water coming from there as well. We're in the north of Spain, by the way. And well, there are better ways to spend the day, but that would mainly involve better weather. Other than that, this is absolutely lovely. So should you get a GTS over an S? Because you know, it's you pay a premium, and I have said before that GTS models are sort of the sweet spot of the Porsche lineup. And that's just because you get a lot of cool options that you would order anyway, or I would anyway, for a better price than you would if you would order them all separately, and you get a Cayman S with all these options. So why wouldn't you get a GTS is the better question to ask. Oh, and that 2.5 liter flat 4 is just one of the best 4-cylinder engines ever. I mean, the power delivery is so freaking good. It almost feels naturally aspirated, almost, because you do get that turbo shove in your back. You also get a sports exhaust if you go for the GTS, so a bit louder, some crackles. Oh, lovely. This thing is seriously quick. 365 horsepower, 420 Newton meters. I mean, oh, nothing to complain here. Of course, I do have rear wheel drive. He has all wheel drive, so I have to be a bit more careful. You get some really nice crackles as well when you lift off the throttle. Wow, look at that river go. Wow, that's going really quickly. But that's sort of the idea of a Cayman, is that it can't get too close to a 911, you know. So this does, I think, 4.3 seconds to 100 kilometers an hour. It's fine. You don't really need anything faster than this. You don't need it. This is more than enough to have a lot of fun. And that's also how the Cayman has been set up, how the chassis has been set up. It's super neutral, and when it starts going a bit, you know, it lets you know that it's going, the rear end. You get sort of a warning beforehand, and that makes it really easy to catch it and to enjoy it. The steering feel, stuff like that, is on point as always with Porsche. I mean, these are some of the best power steering systems out there. They provide a great feel, and yeah, it's just so much fun, and it's just so rewarding to drive this Cayman. You pull it through all the way to the red line, then you suddenly notice how powerful this car is. Oh man, then it really goes. This thing is quick. So unfortunately we can't take it to the autobahn because we're in Spain, but maybe we will later on when I get back, and we'll see. So for now I'm going to end it here. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe by clicking on the big button right here. You can check out this POV review, and if you're up for it, you can really relax, take a seat on your couch and binge watch this POV reviews playlist. Thanks guys, see you at the next one, bye.